Welcome. Hello, friends. Welcome to my video. I am very happy you are here. Today, we will learn English in an easy way. If you want to speak English better, this video is for you. Let me tell you a secret. Learning English can be fun and simple. You do not need to be afraid. If you watch this video till the end, you will learn many easy and useful things. You can use them every day. So stay with me and let's enjoy learning English together. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Jack. He lived in a small town in America. Jack was 20 years old and worked in a coffee shop. One day he met a man from Mexico. The man said, "Hello, I want to learn English. Can you help me?" Jack smiled and said, "Yes, I can help you. We will learn English in an easy way." Jack told him to start with simple words like cat, dog, apple, and book. Every day, Jack met the man after work. They spoke in short English sentences. Jack said, "This is a pen." The man repeated, "This is a pen." They laughed and had fun. Jack also used pictures and real things. He showed a real apple and said, "Apple." The man said it too. Slowly, the man learned new words. He learned how to say, "How are you?" and "My name is Alex." Jack clapped and said, "Very good." After 2 weeks, Alex could speak in short sentences. He said, "I like coffee." He said, "You are my friend." Jack was very happy. He said, "English is easy when you learn step by step." Every day, Jack and Alex met at the park. They sat on a bench and talked in English. Jack brought flashcards with pictures. One card had a picture of a dog. Jack said, "This is a dog." Alex smiled and said, "This is a dog." Jack also taught him colors. He picked a red apple and said, "Red." Then he pointed to the sky and said, "Blue." Alex repeated every word. He was learning fast because Jack made learning fun and easy. One day, Jack gave Alex a small notebook. He said, "Write one new English word every day." Alex wrote words like house, car, milk, and friend. He also made small sentences. He wrote, "I drink milk." He wrote, "You are my friend." Jack read the notebook and said, "Great job." Now Alex could speak more. He said, "I go to work." He said, "I am happy today." Jack said, "Wow, you are learning fast." Alex said, "Because you are a good teacher." Alex started to help other people too. He met a woman from Brazil. She said, "I want to learn English." Alex smiled and said, "I will help you, like Jack helped me." The woman from Brazil was named Maria. She was kind and friendly. Alex said to her, "Let's learn English step by step." Maria smiled and said, "Yes, thank you." Alex gave her the same advice Jack gave him. He said, "Start with small words. Say them every day." Maria learned words like table, water, sun, and phone. She also learned how to say, "Good morning," and "How are you?" Every afternoon, Alex and Maria met in the park. Sometimes Jack came too. Now, there were 3 people learning and speaking English together. Jack said, "This is like a small English school." They all laughed. Maria brought a notebook and wrote new words every day. She made drawings to remember them. She said, "This is fun. English is not so hard." Alex was proud. He said, "See? You can do it too." After 1 month, Maria could make short conversations. She said, "My name is Maria. I live in a big house." She also said, "I like English. It helps me talk to new people." Jack and Alex clapped and said, "Very good, Maria." Now, Alex and Maria both wanted to help more people learn. Jack said, "Let's make a small English club." They all agreed. Every Saturday, they met in the park and helped people practice English. The next Saturday, Jack, Alex, and Maria came to the park early. They brought books, flashcards, and snacks. Jack made a small sign. It said, "Free English Club, learn together." Soon, people came. A man from China, a girl from India, and a boy from Turkey joined the group. Everyone wanted to learn English. Jack said, "Welcome, friends. Let's learn English in an easy way." They started with names. Each person said, "My name is," and smiled. Then they learned greetings like "Good morning," "Nice to meet you," and "Thank you." They helped each other with words and sounds. Nobody laughed if someone made a mistake. Everyone was kind and patient. Alex gave each person a notebook. Maria drew fun pictures to help remember words. Jack taught new words with games. They played word match and say the color. Everyone was happy. They laughed, clapped, and spoke English without fear. Every week, more people came to the English club. Some brought their friends and children. The group grew bigger and happier. Jack said, "Look, we are one big English family now." Maria said, "Learning English is easy when we help each other." Alex said, "Yes. English is not just a language. It brings people together." One day, it started to rain in the park. The sky was gray and the grass was wet. The English club could not meet outside. Maria said, "What do we do now?" Jack smiled and said, "Let's find a new place." The next day, Jack talked to the library near his coffee shop. He said, "Can we use a small room to teach English?" The librarian was kind. She said, "Yes, of course. Learning is always welcome here." Now the English club met inside the library every Saturday. The room was warm and quiet. There was a whiteboard and many chairs. Jack wrote simple words on the board. Alex helped people read them. Maria made fun drawings again. New people joined the club every week. Some of them were shy at first. But Jack said, "Don't be afraid. We all learn together." Slowly, they started speaking more. A woman said, "I can say full sentences now." A man said, "I understand signs in English now." The English club felt like a family. People brought snacks from their countries. They shared food, smiles, and stories. They spoke in English with love and joy. Everyone was proud of their progress. At the end of the month, they had a small party. They sang songs in English and played games. They gave each other certificates with gold stars. Jack said, "You are all doing great." Maria smiled and said, "This is more than English. This is friendship." After the party, everyone felt happy and proud. Jack said, "Now we can do something new." Alex asked, "What is it?" Jack said, "Let's make a small book to help more people learn English." Everyone loved the idea. Maria said, "I can draw pictures for the book." Alex said, "I will write easy sentences." The student said, "We can add our favorite words too." So every Saturday they worked on the book. They called it English is Easy with Friends. The book had colors, numbers, greetings, simple questions, and fun pictures. It was full of love and teamwork. When the book was ready, they gave it to the library. The librarian was very happy. She said, "Now many people can learn from your book." They also gave free copies to new students in the English club. One day, a teacher from a local school came to the club. She said, "I saw your book. It is very good. Can you teach at our school too?" Jack said, "Yes, we would love to." Now, Jack, Maria, and Alex go to the school once a week. They teach English to children from many countries. The children love the games, drawings, and simple words. They laugh, learn, and say, "English is fun." Jack looked at Maria and Alex and said, "We started with one small lesson in the park. Now we are helping so many people." Alex smiled and said, "Learning grows when we share it." One evening after the class at school, Maria had a new idea. She said, "Let's teach English to people who cannot come here." Jack asked, "How can we do that?" Maria said, "Let's make a YouTube channel." Alex smiled and said, "Yes." Many people watch YouTube. We can help them learn English from home. The next day, they started working. Jack brought his phone to record videos. Maria wrote a list of easy English lessons. Alex said, "We will speak slowly and use simple words." Their first video was about greetings. They said, "Hello? Good morning? How are you?" and smiled at the camera. Maria showed pictures and said the words. Jack added fun music. After that, they uploaded the video to YouTube. The title was Learn English in an Easy Way, Lesson 1. In 2 days, 100 people watched the video. Many wrote nice comments. One person said, "Thank you. I understand now." Another said, "Please make more videos." Jack, Maria, and Alex were so happy. Every week, they made one new video. Some videos were about numbers, colors, food, and daily life. They spoke clearly and used real things to show words. People from many countries watched the videos. Some were from India, Egypt, Iran, and Brazil. Now, the YouTube channel had 1,000 followers. Jack said, "Wow, we are helping people all over the world." Maria said, "This is just the beginning." Months passed, and their YouTube channel grew bigger. Now, thousands of people from many countries watch their videos. Everyone said, "Thank you. English is easy with you." Jack, Maria, and Alex were very happy. They were no longer just a small group. They had become friends around the world. One day, a man from Africa sent a message. He said, "I started an English class in my village. I use your videos." Jack smiled and said, "This is the best gift." People even sent them money to help. With that money, they opened a small language center in their town. They named it Easy English for Everyone. In this center, everyone could learn English for free. Children, parents, and even grandparents. Maria said, "This is a place for learning, laughter, and friendship." Alex said, "We teach with our hearts, not just books." At the end, Jack looked at everyone and said, "We started with one lesson in the park, and now we are changing lives." Everyone smiled.